Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we are taking a look at the Canon Pixma TS3750i. This is a little printer that ticks a lot of boxes in my own opinion. It is compact, it won't break the bank, it is incredibly straightforward to use. Whether you are printing school essay, work documents, or your favorite photos, the print quality is genuinely impressive for both text and images. And one of the handiest features is that you can send documents straight from your smartphone, tablet, iPad, and also print from computer. Canon also offers Pixma printing plan, which is basically a smart subscription service that tracks your ink usage and automatically send you a new cartridge when you are getting low. The benefit of ink subscription is so you never have the panic moments of running out mid-print, or it helps you to keep an eye on the cost. This is subscription service, is not compulsory. You can actually buy ink and use it pay as you go. Under the hood, the printer uses Canon's fine cartridge system, which optimizes ink placement and uses a new pigment black ink to give you sharper, clearer text that is much easier to read. Perfect for everyday home printing or home use. And if you print a lot, you will be happy to know it supports larger extra cartridges as well as standard one. Now let's talk about the number that actually matters. In terms of speed, you are getting about 8 prints per minute for black and white and around 4 pages per minute for color, which is perfectly respectable for home printer. The print resolution goes up to 4800 by 1200 dpi, so you have photos and graphics, comes out nicely and detailed. It handles paper up to A4 size, can even take heavier cardstock up to 205 grams per square meter. You also get manual double-sided printing to save paper, plus borderless printing for those full-bled photos. The paper tray holds 60 sheets at a time, and the whole system runs on just 2 ink cartridges. The recommended one being PG575 is black and CL576 is color. On the scanning and copying side of the printer features, there is a flatbed scanner with an optical resolution 600 by 1200 dpi, which is more than enough for everyday document scanning and basic photo digitizing. When it comes to getting your files into the printer, you have got plenty of options. Wi-Fi is built in, so you can place it anywhere in your room without needing a cable. It works with Apple AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, and even email printing, so you can send documents from everywhere you are. Canon Print App makes mobile printing really simple. You also have got Bluetooth, a USB port, big braid if you want to plug your camera in directly. There is a small 3.7 centimeter display on the front of navigation system. Canon also includes some photo editing software to get you started. The printer itself weighs about 4 kilograms and measures roughly 43 centimeter wide, 33 centimeter deep, and 14 centimeter high, so it won't hog your desk space. It comes with starter cartridges in the box, the PG575 black and 576 color. This printer is also compatible with Windows 7 right through Windows 11, as well as Mac OS version 10.15.67 up to 14. Plus, Canon backs it with a solid 2-year guarantee, which it's a nice to have. So that is the Canon TS3750i in a nutshell. A genuinely well-rounded printer that is easy on your wallet, packed with useful features, and simple enough for everyone to pick up and use at home. This is enough talking, so we're going to unbox this printer, check it out, and see what is inside. This is that. setup instruction, scan the QR code, or you go to this website. It will take you for you to set up the printer, or you scan the QR code. This is information pack. Set of ink, 575 black and 576 color. Power cable, 3-pin power cable. This is the scanner, flatbed scanner. This is the paper tray. Adjust the paper to load particular paper you want to use. This is the ink access door. Pull it down. Ink holder is right on the front for you to load the ink. Just need to put this down, then install the ink cartridges. Black ink goes to the right, colored one goes to the left. Print out the document, it will rest on top here. The power cable goes to this port. Power cable goes in here. Then USB cable goes to this port. And the serial number for this printer is right on the corner. You switch the printer on and off on this button. This is stop button or cancel button. This button is for you to copy the document in black, and this button is for you to copy the document in color. This is the unboxing and overview, and this is the rear paper tray. So this printer is ideal for home printing, and it deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.